Today we are going to practice 4 important shading techniques using squares, circles and rectangles. Let's start with hatching. First draw squares. Now fill it using parallel lines. So you have to start with light spacing and slowly make the lines closer. So this creates the light to dark effect. Now move to the circle. Here start shading from one side with darker lines. So dense or closer lines means dark side. As you move across, reduce the pressure and spacing. So it becomes dark to light gradient. Now shade in the rectangle. Again follow light to dark. Keep your strokes neat and in one direction. This helps in building control. Now let's move to cross hatching. In the square, draw one layer of lines. Then you have to add another layer of lines crossing it. So gradually increase the layers to create light to dark shading. So more layers closer, so which means that it is a denser in the darker side. Now start shading circle. Start from one side with more layers and close spacing means the darker side. Then gradually reduce the layers as you move towards the light side. This creates a dark to light effect. In the rectangle, again follow light to dark direction. Keep your lines in a controlled and not messy. More layers means the darker shade. Now we'll try stippling or dot shading. In the square, start placing dots lightly. Slowly increase the number of dots. More dots close together creates the darker areas. Fewer dots will be creating light. In the circle, begin with dense dots on one side. Then we'll spread out them gradually. So this gives us the dark to light effect. Stippling technique needs very much patience because we have to keep n number of dots for our shading technique. In our further videos, we'll draw some objects or any other kind of things using the dot technique. Now in the rectangle, again follow light to dark using dots. So you have to be very patient and keep the dots small and even. So do not apply very much pressure. Finally, let's do blending. So this is our daily videos shading technique only. So in the square, shade lightly with pencil. So this technique we can smudge using different kinds of smudging tools. You can use a stencil, tissue. So you have to build layers from light to dark very smoothly. In the circle, start shading dark on one side, then blend towards the lighter side. So this creates a smooth dark to light gradient. In the rectangle, again follow light to dark blending. Keep the shading soft and even without using any harsh lines. So blend it very smoothly. So today we practice hatching, cross hatching, stippling, blending in different shapes. So keep practicing each technique to improve control and confidence.